So today I wanted to do a video to talk about what's going on with this YouTube channel and really talk about transformation. A lot of you guys have probably seen some of the videos on the channel and you said, hey John, those are old videos. It is very true. What I am doing with this channel is I'm primarily taking the old videos from my old Simple Programmer channel that became Bulldog Mindset, and I'm taking the popular videos from there and I'm reposting them here because they're more appropriate here. They don't need to be on the Bulldog Mindset channel, and I might as well use that content because it's still really useful content. So I'm picking the most popular videos and they're being published here. Now, with that said, I'm gonna have some new videos on the channel. I'm gonna be trying to do one per week just to make sure there are some updated videos on the channel. But if you've watched the last week or so, a couple of videos, I had a video that came out that was from, I think, about 8 years ago when I first started making videos on YouTube. Might have been even 10 years ago. And my voice is completely different. I look completely different. Everything is completely different about me. And so the reason why I'm making this video, besides giving that update, is to talk about that. I want you guys to understand what is possible, because I know a lot of you guys that have maybe just recently joined the channel and subscribe, and you watch that video and you're like, what the heck is this even John Sonmez? And it basically isn't, because I have become a completely different person. And I think this is an important message. Yeah, this message doesn't have that much to do with programming, but it kind of does as well. Because if you're a software developer right now and you're just starting out, or you want to become a software developer and you don't think you could ever become like one of the legends in software development, like Bob Martin or one of those people, you're absolutely wrong. So much can change in a 5-year period. So much can change in a 10-year period. You can become a completely different person. You can become completely unrecognizable. I've gone through a huge transformation in my life. And many times I was someone who wasn't really making a lot of money, to someone who quit their job, left the rat race, became a multi-millionaire, and became extremely successful. I went from someone who was fat and overweight and became fit, and to the point where I'm running ultra marathons, stuff I never thought would be possible, and no one would have ever thought that. My personality has changed. My confidence has changed. And I went from shy and introverted to outgoing. We might say, I think a lot of people encourage to say, oh, introversion, it's just a thing. There's no such thing as introversion or extroversion. It is all a justification. There's nothing wrong with enjoying being in your own presence, but you should also enjoy being out with other people, and you shouldn't have fears and inhibitions holding you back. Social anxiety is not a disease. It is a choice that we make to not overcome the limitations that we have currently and to move outside of our comfort zone. For every single person that has ever become more social and gotten over social anxiety, and I know a lot of you guys suffer from this, they have had to face that uncomfort. You have to go out there into the world and really try to do uncomfortable things. And if I'll leave you with one message here that I would say about this whole thing, about transformations and becoming a different person and growing as a software developer and as a human being, I'll tell you this one most important thing, which is you have to move outside of your comfort zone. That is the biggest thing in life that is going to give you growth. Pick something, do it, go after something. Choose the things that make you uncomfortable and purposely choose to do those things. If you do that, you will expand and you will grow and you will transform. You see, most people don't transform the way that I do, but they don't usually change their entire look and mannerisms and their voice. How does that happen? It happens because I have constantly chosen to do the things that make me uncomfortable. And because I've done so many of those things, it has evolved me and changed me into a completely different person. It would be unbelievable to believe it, except that you guys have seen the videos. So my message to you guys, whether you're a beginning software developer or you're a senior software developer, you have social anxiety, you feel like you're fat, overweight, whatever it is, you feel like you are not to the best person that you can become, that you're not maximizing your potential, get outside of your comfort zone. Do that and you will find a lot of success. If you're enjoying this video, give me a thumbs up. Let's get some likes on here, and go check out the books that I have on Amazon. I have some really good books for software developers. One is called The Complete Software Developer Career Guide. The other one is Soft Skills for Software Developers. There's a second edition that is out. You guys are going to enjoy those books. There's audio versions of it as well, but everyone I think should have those books because they will help you in your career. Guys, I will talk to you next time.